It is so admirable how you have managed to bring the two families together.
Hats off to the two women. Sila yung nagdala nun eh.
Hindi, honey. Ikaw yun. Yung umpisa namin, you know, it wasn't a typical
Arrangement.
Yeah.
Magulo siya actually, maraming heartbreaks. Marami kaming na-break na hearts. Na-break din yung hearts namin. And I wish that it wasn't like that.
Yeah.
I'd like to think I'm a good person naman. Ayokong
naman.
You are. We know you.
Oo naman.
Ayokong manakit ng
Yeah.
ibang tao. But
Oo
sometimes things happen
Yeah.
na hindi mo naman
Life
plano.
happens. Life happens.
Pero nangyari. Kaya naging ganito yung naging relationship naming lahat. It's because of you. Because you worked so hard para to bring us together. Because I have to say, ako may resistant ako ng konti. Kasi guilty ako eh. Nahihiya ako. Guilty ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilulugar yung sarili ko. At the same time, parang, bakit ko kailangan gawin to? Hindi ko naiintindihan. Gusto kong magtago na lang dun sa shadow. But he was the one who said, no, we have to do this.